Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to sort your library by creation date in Goodnotes in 2026. Now, do you want to organize your notes better? Sorting your library by creation date helps you find files quickly and faster. And here's how to do it by following these few simple steps and instructions. Now, before we start, here's a quick guide on how to download the Goodnotes application. You're just gonna find Goodnotes in the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using. Then you're gonna install it from there. After you install it, you're gonna make sure to log in with your account, and here you're gonna click on the document section. Now, once you click on the document section, you're gonna see a lot of your documents. As you can see, there are an option for the free Goodnotes premium free plan, and there's the premium plan. Now, the free plan only allows you to create 3 editable notebooks, but the premium plan allows you to create more. So if you want to create a lot of notebooks and use the Goodnotes professionally, you might think about upgrading to the permanent version or the premium version. You can do that by going to the gears icon and clicking on your profile icon. Then you're gonna click on upgrade, and here you're gonna upgrade to the plan, the premium plan. As you can see, it has unlimited notebooks and whiteboard. Now, to sort your documents and your library by creation date, you're gonna go to your documents here. This is where you're gonna find all your documents, and in the top right corner you're gonna see the sorting options. You're gonna click on the date here, and as you can see the name, the type, etc. So you're gonna make sure to choose the date. This is sorted by date of creation. As you can see here, you can choose to sort them by name or by type depending on which one you use. Now, here your notes will be organized accordingly to date. So use sorting to manage large libraries and combine with folders for better organization, and also switch sorting based on your needs. Sorting your library keeps everything organized and easy to access. Use it to stay efficient. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.